Hi and welcome back to QuizzyQuest. Can you answer all questions correctly? Please subscribe and like to support the channel. What is an etude primarily designed to improve in musicians? Is it A, technique, B, rhythm, or C, melodrama? It is A, technique. What mathematical object represents numbers and elements in a grid-like arrangement? Is it A, vector, B, set, or C, matrix? It is C, matrix. What is the primary color of peridot gemstones? Is it A, yellow, B, blue, or C, green? It is C, green. What is the lightest and most abundant chemical element in the universe? Is it A, hydrogen, B, helium, or C, oxygen? It is A, hydrogen. What is the primary function of capital in economics? Is it A, government regulations, B, investment funds, or C, workforce management? It is B, investment funds. What was the primary goal of the civil rights movement in the 1950s and 1960s? Is it A, racial equality, B, women's suffrage, or C, labor rights? It is A, racial equality. What geological feature is known for being the deepest part of the ocean, located near Indonesia? Is it A, Java Trench, B, Mariana Trench, or C, Puerto Rico Trench? It is A, Java Trench. What ocean layer is characterized by a rapid temperature decrease with depth? Is it A, abyssopelagic zone, B, epipelagic zone, or C, thermocline? It is C, thermocline. Which hit song is Travis Scott known for that features the phrase sicko mode? Is it A, Goosebumps, B, sicko mode, or C, butterfly effect? It is B, sicko mode. What is chalcedony primarily known as? Is it A, a type of marble, B, a type of quartz, or C, a type of granite? It is B, a type of quartz. What social media platform did Ben Silbermann co-found that focuses on visual content sharing? Is it A, Pinterest, B, Instagram, or C, Snapchat? It is A, Pinterest. What is the primary function of a wearable fitness tracker? Is it A, play music, B, monitor physical activity, or C, display news? It is B, monitor physical activity. Which technology product is Steve Jobs widely known for revolutionizing through Apple Inc.? Is it A, Windows, B, iPhone, or C, Linux? It is B, iPhone. What is the primary function of CRISPR technology in genetic research? Is it A, DNA replication, B, protein synthesis, or C, gene editing? It is C, gene editing. What significant right did the women's suffrage movement advocate for? Is it A, employment opportunities, B, voting rights, or C, educational access? It is B, voting rights. What is tabbouleh primarily made of? Is it A, pasta, B, rice, or C, bulgur wheat? It is C, bulgur wheat. Which iconic album is David Bowie best known for featuring the song Space Oddity? Is it A, Let's Dance, B, The Rise and Fall of Ziggy Stardust, or C, Heroes? It is B, The Rise and Fall of Ziggy Stardust. In which television series did Finn Wolfhard gain fame for his role as Mike Wheeler? Is it A, Stranger Things, B, The Umbrella Academy, or C, Riverdale? It is A. Stranger Things. What is Damascus renowned for being one of the oldest continuously inhabited cities in the world? Is it A. Natural resources, B. Historical significance, or C. Economic power? It is B. Historical significance. What type of product is sriracha most commonly known as? Is it A. Salad dressing, B. Hot sauce, or C. Ketchup? It is B. Hot sauce. What is the primary ingredient used to make traditional soy sauce? Is it A. Wheat, B. Soybeans, or C. Rice? It is B. Soybeans. Which novel is F. Scott Fitzgerald best known for that explores the American jazz age? Is it A. The Great Gatsby, B. Moby Dick, or C. Brave New World? It is A. The Great Gatsby. What is the primary function of Microsoft Teams? Is it A. Video editing, B. Team collaboration, or C. Web design? It is B. Team collaboration. What is the definition of a sphere in geometry? Is it A. A two-dimensional circle, B. A perfectly round three-dimensional shape, or C. A polygon with three sides? It is B. A perfectly round three-dimensional shape. What is the shape of the base of a cylinder? Is it A. Triangle, B. Square, or C. Circle? It is C. Circle. What is the primary definition of melody in music? Is it A. A musical instrument, B. A type of rhythm, or C. A sequence of notes? It is C. A sequence of notes. What is the main industry that drives the economy of the Canary Islands? Is it A. Manufacturing, B. Agriculture, or C. Tourism? It is C. Tourism. What type of art is Cindy Sherman most famous for creating? Is it A. Painting, B. Sculpture, or C. Photography? It is C. Photography. What is the primary function of protein in the body? Is it A. Building tissue, B. Regulating temperature, or C. Storing energy? It is A. Building tissue. What is the primary genre of the song Dance Monkey by Tones and I? Is it A. Pop, B. Rock, or C. Jazz? It is A. Pop. What is the primary function of estrogen in the female reproductive system? Is it A. Increasing blood pressure, B. Enhancing muscle growth, or C. Regulating menstrual cycle? It is C. Regulating menstrual cycle. Which famous musical featuring a plot about a love triangle was composed by Andrew Lloyd Webber? Is it A. Cats, B. The Phantom of the Opera, or C. Les Miserables? It is B. The Phantom of the Opera. What is moldavite primarily known for in the field of geology? Is it A. A type of gemstone, B. A volcanic rock, or C. A fossilized tree resin? It is A. A type of gemstone. What is the equinox that occurs in March commonly referred to as? Is it A. Winter solstice, B. Autumn equinox, or C. Spring equinox? It is C. Spring equinox. Which famous national park is located partially within the Mojave Desert? Is it A. Joshua Tree, B. Yellowstone, or C. Grand Canyon? It is A. Joshua Tree. What is the main role of carbon dioxide in the process of photosynthesis? Is it A. Releases oxygen, B. Absorbs sunlight, or C. Provides carbon for glucose? It is C. Provides carbon for glucose. What is the primary process by which cells convert glucose into energy during respiration? Is it A, photosynthesis, B, cellular respiration, or C, fermentation? It is B, cellular respiration. What is the capital city of Antigua and Barbuda? Is it A, St. John's, B, Bridgetown, or C, Nassau? It is A, St. John's. What is the capital city of Bosnia and Herzegovina? Is it A, Sarajevo, B, Belgrade, or C, Zagreb? It is A, Sarajevo. What dating app did Whitney Wolfe Herd co-found that emphasizes female empowerment? Is it A, Hinge, B, Tinder, or C, Bumble? It is C, Bumble. What is the capital city of Armenia? Is it A, Tbilisi, B, Yerevan, or C, Baku? It is B, Yerevan. What symbol represents the last letter of the Greek alphabet? Is it A, alpha, B, sigma, or C, omega? It is C, omega. What is erbium primarily used for in technology? Is it A, semiconductors, B, fiber optics, or C, batteries? It is B, fiber optics. Which city is famous for the Council of Trent that played a significant role in the Catholic Reformation? Is it A, Florence, B, Venice, or C, Trent? It is C, Trent. What major conflict did the Treaty of Versailles officially end? Is it A, World War I, B, World War II, or C, Korean War? It is A, World War I. What type of natural feature is Jökulsárlón in Iceland? Is it A, hot spring, B, volcano, or C, glacier lagoon? It is C, glacier lagoon. What is the primary feature of Europa, a moon of Jupiter, that suggests the possibility of an ocean beneath its ice surface? Is it A, atmosphere, B, rocky core, or C, ice crust? It is C, ice crust. In Greek mythology, what type of creature is Lamia known to be? Is it A, monster, B, goddess, or C, hero? It is A, monster. What is the primary distinction of Mount Kilimanjaro in Africa? Is it A, biggest volcano, B, highest peak, or C, deepest lake? It is B, highest peak. Which famous detective was created by Agatha Christie? Is it A, Sherlock Holmes, B, Hercule Poirot, or C, Miss Marple? It is B, Hercule Poirot. If you enjoyed our quiz, feel free to donate via Super Thanks. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram and stay tuned for more exciting quizzes. See you next time on QuizzyQuest.